So when it come down to the Credit One bank card, once you guys get approved, you are going to get the email letting you know that yes, you have been approved. If for some reason you have not received your credit card, I do suggest that you guys call Credit One directly and ask them when you guys going to get your credit card. Sometimes they do ask for verification. They need to verify you, or they need to verify income sometimes, or they need to verify your residency or see where you're staying at. They may ask you to send in a lease or something like that. So call them and ask, is there any additional steps that you need to take to get your card? Sometimes it's just late coming in the mail, but I suggest that you guys call them just to verify for sure what they need from you and see if there's anything else that they need you to do. Now, let me show you guys that card, because sometimes you should just get that card like in the mail. So see if you pre-qualify. When you guys pre-qualify for their credit card, you guys can be able to know right away, like if you're approved, if they need additional verification. But you just fill out their pre-qualification, they'll let you know if you approved right away or they need additional verification. If for some reason you haven't heard from them, then I suggest that you guys contact them. Let me see if I can get their phone number for you, because you guys can contact them and then they should be able to help you further. So their phone number is actually listed right here. So you guys can give them a call. And then too, if you want to request application information, then you can call right here to say, hey, you asked for verification. What do you need? Could I send this? Can I send that? Just to verify it. But call them if for some reason you got approved for a credit card, but you just haven't gotten in the mail, because they'll let you know further what you need to